A clean and shiny car looks great and feels so much better to drive. Regular washing protects the paintwork, but to reduce the risk of scratching your car while you're washing it, try the 2-bucket method. Now don't let wastewater and detergents enter the stormwater system. Find a spot where the water and the suds won't run off. The 2-bucket method uses separate buckets for washing and rinsing. Grip guards at the bottom help trap dirt and other particles, so you're less likely to pick them up with your sponge and scratch your car. With water in both buckets, add some good quality car wash to the wash bucket and get a nice head of foam. Start at the top and wash one panel at a time. Rinse your sponge regularly and leave the lower panels till last to keep dirt off the paintwork. Use long strokes instead of circular motions to reduce the risk of scratching. Repeat until the whole car is clean. Rinse your car with a hose to remove the suds, then start drying straight away to avoid streaks. I prefer one of these giant microfiber cloths over a chamois. They soak up plenty of water and they're perfect for the job. Dry the roof first, then the other panels, mirrors, windows and lights. Job done and you're ready to impress. And don't forget, if you have a question about car care, REA is here to help.